To try this delicious curry at home, you need a few common ingredients as well as a range of dried spices. We're using about 200 grams of chicken breast, which we've already diced into bite-sized pieces. All of these spices should be available from your local supermarket, including Szechuan pepper, which has a slightly lemony flavour and is native to China. Of course, we're using mustard oil to give a truly authentic Nepali taste. Before starting the cooking process, you need to chop a large red onion and dice a tomato. Like most curries, the secret is to start with a great paste. Pour about 4 dessert spoons of mustard oil into a large saucepan and heat to a moderate temperature. First, put about half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seed into the oiled pan. Quickly scoop 1 generous tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste and then add 1 red onion which has been finely chopped. Mix the ingredients well and cook until the onions brown. Take a good pinch of jimbo and a tablespoon of turmeric powder and add to the paste. To add a little liquid, add some chopped tomato, about 1 will do. Now for a few ground spices. You need to add a teaspoon of curry and chili powders, a generous tablespoon of crushed cumin seeds, and some ground Szechuan pepper. Finally, season with a large pinch of salt and then stir the paste very well, allowing the spices to release their exotic aroma. After about 3 or 4 minutes, your paste is ready and you can cook your chicken. Pour in about 200 grams of diced chicken breast and stir really well. We want to make sure that the meat is thoroughly coated with the curry paste. Then cook for another 3 or 4 minutes. Now turn the heat down low and let the curry simmer for about 4 minutes. Give your curry a good stir and then add about 2 tablespoons of coriander. At this stage, your curry sauce will be quite dry, so it's a good idea to add about 1 cup of water. Stir until cooked through, put the lid on the pan and allow to simmer until you are ready to eat. Kukhura con Masu is a tasty curry that is simple to prepare. It comes straight from the foothills of the Himalaya to your very own table for you to enjoy at home. This dish is beaten with basmati rice or roti.